This is the DJI Action 5 Pro, and DJI says it's the most advanced action camera they've ever made. Better stabilization, smarter tracking, and image quality that's supposed to rival the GoPro Hero lineup. Sounds great on paper, right? But after using this as my daily action cam, from bike rides to casual vlogging, I realized there's one thing DJI doesn't really talk about in the ads. So, is this actually the best action camera you can buy right now? Let's talk. Product overview. So what exactly are we looking at? This is the DJI Action 5 Pro, DJI's latest flagship action camera, and it's aimed squarely at creators, travelers, and action sports enthusiasts who want top-tier video without fiddling with settings all day. This sits above the standard action lineup and is designed to go head-to-head with the GoPro Hero series. The big selling points here are improved low-light performance, upgraded RockSteady stabilization, smarter subject tracking, and longer battery life. In other words, DJI wants this to be the action camera you can trust in almost any situation. Performance. Okay, specs are cool, but how does it actually feel to use? In daily use, the Action 5 Pro feels fast and reliable, which is exactly what you want from an action camera. Boot up is nearly instant, touch response is snappy, and switching between modes doesn't feel laggy or frustrating. I used this for everything, from mountain biking to walking through crowded streets to casual vlogging, and it rarely missed a beat. The stabilization is doing a lot of heavy lifting here. Even when I was walking quickly or riding over rough pavement, footage stayed impressively smooth without looking overly artificial. Heat management is also solid. I recorded multiple long clips in 4K and it never overheated or shut down unexpectedly. That's huge if you're traveling or filming outdoors. Now, is it perfect? Not quite. In very low light, you'll still notice some noise creeping in, but compared to previous DJI action cams, this is a noticeable improvement. Features and tech. First up, RockSteady 4.0 Plus. This basically turns shaky chaos into smooth, watchable footage. Whether you're running, biking, or just holding it one-handed, your videos look controlled and professional without needing a gimbal. Second, advanced subject tracking. This is a big deal. The camera can intelligently keep you centered in the frame, which is amazing for solo creators. You set it up, hit record, and focus on your activity, not framing. Third, improved low-light sensor. DJI upgraded the sensor here, and you can tell. Night rides, indoor shots, and evening vlogs all look cleaner with better color retention than previous models. And finally, DJI ecosystem integration. If you already use DJI drones or gimbals, this slots right in. File transfers, color profiles, and app controls all feel seamless. Design and build. Design-wise, DJI absolutely nailed it. The Action 5 Pro feels solid, compact, and premium in the hand. The matte finish helps with grip, and it doesn't feel cheap or hollow like some older action cams. The dual-screen setup, front and rear, is bright and usable even in sunlight, which makes vlogging way easier. Buttons are clicky and well-placed, and the touchscreen works reliably, even with slightly wet hands. It's also waterproof and rugged, so you don't feel nervous mounting this to a helmet or taking it near water. This feels like a tool built to be used, not babied. Battery life. Battery life is another quiet win here. DJI claims longer runtimes, and in real-world use, I actually believe it. I was able to get well over an hour of continuous 4K recording with plenty left for shorter clips throughout the day. For travel or outdoor shoots, that means fewer battery swaps and less stress. And fast charging helps too. Plug it in during a break and you're good to go. Pros. Fast, reliable, everyday performance, premium build with great screens, seamless DJI app integration. Cons. Subject tracking isn't flawless. Pricing may feel high for casual users. Final verdict. So who is the DJI Action 5 Pro actually for, and is it worth your money? Look, if you're a content creator, traveler, or action sports enthusiast who wants reliable, high-quality footage without babysitting your camera, this is a fantastic choice. The stabilization alone makes it worth considering, and the improved sensor finally closes the gap with GoPro. If you're a casual user who just wants clips for social media, this might be more camera than you need, and a cheaper option could make more sense. But if you care about smooth footage, durability, and ease of use, the Action 5 Pro absolutely delivers. So that's my take on the DJI Action 5 Pro. Now I want to hear from you. Are you thinking of picking one up, or are you sticking with GoPro? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If this review helped you out, a quick thumbs up really helps the channel. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest, real-world tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.